Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Gemini, for your general energies, career situation and relationship. Gemini, we are picking these cards. So these are for your general energies, this is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation, guys. If you want more clarity in your circumstances, Gemini, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So let's see what are these cards. So we have Stork, Bear and Mountain. So in your circumstances today, guys, you are seeing some challenges today. Maybe in your work, or it may be in your personal life, in this relationship. You are working hard, you are someone with dedication and devotion, you are a friendly person, you have people working with you, people who are truly concerned about you. So there is someone really close to you. It may be your friend or a family member or your sibling, someone older than you, guys. So this person is trying to help you. They are giving you valuable suggestions. Maybe for some of you, they are someone truly concerned about you, and they really love and care for you. That is the reason they are giving you some suggestions and ideas what needs to be done. Maybe you are the one asking for their suggestions and ideas. And for some of you, you are happy listening to them, listening to their ideas and wisdom. So this person is trying to protect you in some ways, guys. Maybe for some of you, they are giving you ideas to handle this challenging circumstance in your career, maybe, or in your relationship. So they are, someone you cannot avoid, and their advice is something you cannot just miss. They have such authority and power over you. You listen to them each and every time, and it is something for your own welfare, guys, and you trust this person. That may be the reason you listen to their ideas and suggestions. So this may be your energy or their energy. Maybe for some of you, this person is talking against this love. Maybe they are giving you ideas, telling you certain things to follow, and it may not be something which you like. You don't want to do that. Maybe you feel that they are trying to dominate you or manipulate you in some ways. So you are not interested to listen to them today, guys. For some reason, maybe they are speaking against this person you love. That may be the reason you are not willing to listen to them. But you need not worry, Gemini, because let it be in your relationship or in your career situation, guys. This challenging circumstance is going to change. I see you getting a happy news very soon. So it may be some happy news in your work situation or in your relationship. So you are seeing a positive change. Maybe this person you love, they are coming with a proposal, coming to propose to you with gifts, and you are really happy. Or this may be their energy, so you are planning to propose to them, guys. So let's see what is the card specific to your relationship. So we have Clouds. So with this card, it just means that there may be some doubts in your mind regarding this relationship. So maybe you had huge plans for this person and yourself. You were planning for something good, engagement or marriage maybe, but whatever it is, there are some things that you want to clear up. Maybe that may be the reason you were speaking to this person, your friend or a family member, about this and taking their ideas and suggestions what needs to be done. So that is also what I see, guys. But no matter what in your circumstances, Gemini, with this card, this is a very positive card. So all that negative things we were seeing with the other cards, all that will resolve, I feel, guys. So let's see what is the card for your career. Stars. So with this card, it just means that you are going to see a brighter and happier future, and you can hope for the best because best things are coming towards you, Gemini. So in your career or in your life in general, this card stands for clarity, understanding and positive transformation in your life, guys. So you can be happy for that. And that is the reading for you all today, guys. Gemini, thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. Gemini. For your love reading, guys, today we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's see what is the first card for those who chose this card. The first card, it is Sleeping Beauty, Awakening. So with this card, guys, in your circumstances today, maybe you may have someone really close to you, someone truly concerned about your welfare, but they are holding some truth from you. They are not telling you something. It may be something important, something vital in your life's journey, but they are doing it out of love for you. They are concerned about you and they don't want to cause any pain for you. But no matter what, this secret itself is going to take you into some difficult circumstance, guys, but you need not worry because you will be coming out of it successfully. So you just have to have that courage in your heart, and when you come out of this difficult situation, you will have people supporting you, maybe even during the ordeal you are going to face, maybe in your life today. There are some challenging situations, but you need not worry. You will have the people you love with you, and you will see a way out of this difficult circumstance today, guys. And these people will be able to help you and guide you, so you need not worry. And this card just means that you are on the path to some kind of a very greater understanding, something like an awakening. So it may be a spiritual change you are seeing in your heart, or some kind of an emotional change. So that gives much clarity in your thoughts and actions. That is what is coming towards you. So you can be happy for that. And maybe through these circumstances, you are going to get that chance for a better, a clearer mind today, guys. So that is what I see with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. So let's see what is the second card. So for those who chose this second card, it is commitment. So with this card, guys, the energy is that in our life, in our day-to-day life, we just we just see our circumstances going in such a way, but we should not try to understand it, guys. Maybe we must try to trust the changes happening in our life. So you will be seeing challenges in your personal transformation that is happening right now. So you need not try to create or take the steps needed, control the way things are going, maybe the map of the journey or the terrain of your journey. You just need to take simple steps today. So however life is unfolding in front of you, you must embrace it with open arms, with that open heartedness, and simply embracing it just like a child with curiosity. So you need not have that fear or desire to bend your life according to your will. That will be an unnecessary battle today, guys. So whatever is unfolding is what is your life's journey, and that divine will is working with your heart, your soul. So whatever is your soul's journey, that is what is unfolding in your physical world today, guys. So you just have to have that trust in yourself and take that simpler steps. Move along in your life step by step, and that divine will is moving you, and the fulfillment of your destiny is what is happening today, guys. So life is not working in a cross purpose with you. It is the co-conspirator of your heart. So if you want that harmony, balance today in your circumstances, that peace and stillness, happiness, you just need to be aware of your present and embrace it with commitment from your heart, and take one step at a time. So that is going to make things easier for you, and that is the right way, and that will be the right way your life, your beautiful destiny will unfold in front of you, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. I hope you like this reading. If you do, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys, what you feel about this reading. I will see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.